What's up, YouTube? Today we hit 1,000 subscribers. Crazy feeling. About 8 months ago, I started this channel just kind of trying to spread the information and the knowledge that I have and help you guys out a little bit. And it's amazed me how fast this has really grown. Today, I just want to do a quick video thanking you guys for hitting 1,000 subscribers and also kind of give you an update on all the little projects we have going on. And a lot of you guys have been asking me about them. I've been missing for a little bit. Just kind of want to explain what we got going on there, talk about the future, and hopefully we got a lot more great content coming your way. So my first 1,000 subscribers. Not sure if any of you guys out there have any channels. If you do, leave a comment below. I'll make sure I check your channel out, so give you a subscribe also. But it's a big thing, and it doesn't seem like a lot to some people, but it takes a lot of work to get that first 1,000 subscribers. It's way more than I ever expected. But the reward of seeing that number and watching them come up to 998, 999, and then rolled over to 1,000 this afternoon, it's a really great feeling. And that combined with all the wonderful comments you guys have left on a lot of my videos really makes me feel great about what I do here. I mean, this is something I'm really passionate about. I do work a full-time job, and I do these videos because it's something I really love to do. Without you guys, none of this would be possible. I'd just be staring at a camera, holding it by myself here in my garage and just kind of talking to nobody. So I really appreciate all the support. That being said, a lot of you guys have been asking for updates on some of these projects. I haven't posted a video in about 2 months, and the reason why I haven't posted a video in 2 months is February 22nd, I made the decision to close my shop. It was not an easy decision. I had the place for 9 years, had a lot of memories, learned a lot, lived a lot in that place, but I had finally gotten to the point where I felt like my business was consuming me, and I really needed to put my family first. So I thought a lot about it, talked with my wife quite a bit, and we made the decision that closing the shop was the best thing for all of us. So with that said, nothing's going to change as far as the channel goes. Still plan on making videos. All the projects are still on. We're just going to be doing it in my garage at the house. So the past couple of weeks, past couple of months, I've just kind of been cleaning up, remodeling a little bit. I still got a little bit of insulation and some wall to put up over there, and then just kind of unpacking everything, getting everything going. So that's why I haven't really posted any videos working on anything, but I'm just about done. We get a couple soon. I have a 6-liter here that I'm going to do a couple of videos on. I have another couple of things coming up. But as far as the projects we have going on, the DT466 and the Super Duty, still on. That truck right now is down the street at a storage facility, and it's going to be coming here probably 2 weeks from now. We're going to start cranking away. We have our machine shop making a few things on the water jet. So that should be rolling along pretty good. The Acura MDX, that's sitting right outside my garage right here. I got a wheel and tire package for it that's going to be going on it. What else we got? The little Razor go-kart. We still got that. So I got a nice little video that I'm going to be doing with that in the next couple of days. So all the projects are still here. We're going to keep going. We're going to keep grinding. And I'd love to hear from you guys. If there's anything you want to see, if there's any videos that you want me to cover topics, cars, trucks, motorcycles, if you want to see stuff like that, whatever it may be. And I also have a few shenanigans videos coming up. The place I work at, we have some pretty cool stuff going on, so I'm gonna be recording a couple of videos over there, and I think you guys will like what you see. So once again, I appreciate every single one of you, and 1,000 subscribers, tons and tons of views. It's a really, really great feeling. And keep them coming, guys, and I'll keep producing content for you. Thank you very much. Have a great day, guys. We'll see you soon.